Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap 4 square mile, local and long distance movers near me. We have years of experience performing local moves and take pride in providing our clients with a smooth and stress-free moving experience. When you book a local move with us, our team will start by assessing the size of your move and planning the logistics. On moving day, we'll arrive at your current location with all the necessary equipment, including moving trucks, packing materials, and dollies. Our 4 square mile local TM movers will then carefully pack up and load your belongings onto our trucks, ensuring everything is secured for transportation. Additionally, our 4 square mile Colorado movers know the best routes for each destination, ensuring that your move is completed promptly. For long-distance moves, we start by discussing the details of your move, including the distance, the timeline, and any special requirements. We'll then provide you with a detailed plan that covers everything from packing and loading to transportation and unloading. We use high-quality packing materials and take extra care when loading and unloading your items to ensure that they are safe and secure throughout the journey. We also understand that pricing is a major concern for our clients, so we offer the best pricing for their budgets. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our 4 square mile moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.